Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this SQL tutorial series, we are going to see CAST function. So what is a CAST function? It's used to convert the data type, and also it's used to when you need to change the value technical type so that database can process it differently. So what it's saying? So basically you have a values in specific data type, but you want to convert it into different data type. We can use a CAST function. For example, we have a values in string. Basically this is a number, right? Number is a numeric type, but we specified in the quotation so the database will understand it's a string. Right now you want to convert this values into integer type. So how will you do that? We can use cast open bracket and specify the column type, which type you want to convert as. So you should convert into int, right? You need to specify that int data type. So you just open the bracket, select cast 10, and you just specify that as a int. It will be converted as a int type. So now you can able to arithmetic operation, right? Just if you want to add another 10, so basically it's converted to int, then we are adding as another 10, it will be 20. So this is the usage of cast function. So let's see the table we have. So already I have created the employee table. So yeah, start from employee table. So we have a higher type as a date data type, right? It's a timestamp, right? So you want to see the data type of that column. So you can, this is a Postgres light, right? So we can use pg type of open the bracket and which column you want to know the data type. So just you can specify the column name. So you just run that. It's a date type, right? Now you want to convert that into string type. So how will you do that? We can use a cast function, right? So I'm adding another column, so comma. So as so if you want to convert that, we can you open the so you need to specify the cast function, open bracket, which column you want to convert. It's a higher date in what type as. So I want to convert into varchar type. Basically, so if you want to convert into string type, so we can use varchar. So if you run the query, so that value will be converted as a into varchar type. So this is the usage of cast function. So today challenge is we have a salaries. So these values are in the integer. So now you want to convert into varchar type. So you can write the query in the command box. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye.